In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect AI video using Sora 2. If you're looking to create ultra-realistic cinematic scenes with perfect lighting and smooth camera motions, you're in the right place. This process ensures your video has detailed textures and natural movements in stunning 4K quality. Let's dive right in and turn your video ideas into eye-catching realities. First, you want to start off by taking your video prompt and pasting it into the Sora 2 interface. The prompt we'll be using today features elements like ultra-realistic cinematic scenes, perfect lighting, and smooth camera motions. It also incorporates detailed textures and aims for a 4K quality result with natural movement. By ensuring these elements are within your prompt, you set the stage for creating a visually captivating final product. It's like setting the foundation of a house. Without it, you won't have a stable structure. Once your prompt is entered, the next step involves deciding on the orientation of your final video. Sora 2 allows you to choose between a portrait or landscape mode, and this choice really depends on your target platform or personal preference. Portrait mode is ideal for social media stories and platforms that favor vertical video viewing, like Instagram or TikTok. On the other hand, landscape mode provides a more traditional viewing experience, perfect for platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Think about where your audience will be watching your content and choose accordingly. After you've settled on portrait or landscape, it's time to let the magic happen by clicking on the Generate button. This is where Sora 2 takes your input and configurations, working its AI-powered algorithms to produce an amazing video that meets your specifications. During this process, Sora 2 applies its capabilities to generate visuals with those defined details and fluidity, resulting in something uniquely tailored to your vision. Now, while Sora 2 is doing its thing, here are a couple of tips to keep in mind for future projects. Always aim for precision in your initial text prompts to achieve the best possible results. The more accurately you can describe what you are envisioning, the better Sora 2 can interpret and produce it. Additionally, don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts and settings. Trying out various combinations could lead you to unexpected and stunning results, fueling your creativity even further. Once the video is generated, take a moment to review it. Ensure the details align with what you had in mind and make any necessary tweaks. With these steps complete, you'll have a high-quality AI-generated video ready to wow your audience, all thanks to the power of Sora 2. Thank you for watching, and happy video making!